Hi, and welcome. Thank you for checking out my product review. When you pick up this product from the link down below, the first link in the description, you instantly qualify to receive my 4 bonuses delivered automatically. Bonus number 1 is a tool that will turn text into videos. This new AI tool is going to change everything you know about videos. Hurry and discover the secrets to generating substantial income by leveraging the power of text-to-video conversation using the Sora AI model. I give you the tool where you just enter your API key and also the full training. Bonus number 2 is I'll give you access to my top-selling course on how to make money from Instagram influencers. This unique training shows you how to make $500 to $1,000 from influencers just by copying and pasting exactly what I tell you. I show you how to find influencers and also give you a product to offer them that they cannot live without. The only limit to this is you and your effort. Bonus number 3 is you will gain access to my newest course on how to create and sell custom GPTs to businesses. It will take you only 15 to 20 minutes to create these GPTs using my steps. Plus, I give you access to a tool that will help you easily find these small businesses that are starving for these and willing to pay you top dollar. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you a list of the top selling high ticket affiliate programs that you can start marketing immediately and make up to $1,000 per sale. We have several more top secret bonuses that are easily worth over $997 you'll find instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. So now that that's all out of the way, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the first link in the description. Let's go, guys, and let's check out what this product is all about.
Attention all digital marketers who want to start or expand their online business with just a few skills in 2024. Find out how you can earn a lot of money by making and selling children's ebooks and audiobooks on Kindle and Audible using private label rights, done for you content. This business plan is so simple that even people who don't like computers can run it blindfolded while enjoying a cup of coffee. And you don't have to be a writer, voice actor, storyteller, or graphic designer. To put it simply, if you have a computer with internet and you're using it to read this webpage, then you already have everything you need to earn money without working too hard. Low startup costs. You do not need a lot of money to start. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. No big investments. No inventory worries. Since ebooks and audiobooks are digital, you do not need to worry about storing or shipping physical books. It is all online. Worldwide customers, your ebooks and audiobooks can be sold to people all over the world. That's a lot of potential customers. Money while you sleep. Once your ebooks and audiobooks are up for sale, they can make money for you 24/7. You can earn even while you're sleeping. You're the boss. You get to decide what to publish, how to design it, and how much to sell it for. You're in control. Easy to sell. There are lots of online platforms like Amazon and Audible where you can easily publish and sell your ebooks and audiobooks. High demand. More and more people are choosing to read ebooks and listen to audiobooks. The market is growing fast. Big profits. Without printing or shipping costs, you can keep a big chunk of the sales as profit. More money in your pocket. Updates are a breeze. Need to change something in your ebook or audiobook? No problem. You can update it easily without having to reprint anything. Ebooks and audiobooks last forever. Unlike physical books that can get damaged, ebooks and audiobooks never wear out. They can keep making money for you year after year. This done-for-you content with PLR has been carefully put together to help you create your ebooks and audiobooks without the usual stress. Check out these examples. With content like this, you can make amazing ebooks and audiobooks for your publishing business and your readers. Hello, fellow digital marketer. From the desk of Parth Bora. If you've been looking up ideas for online businesses, you might have heard about selling ebooks on Amazon Kindle or making audiobooks for platforms like Audible. It can be a success if done right, but it is a hard process that needs a lot of work and skill to publish just one ebook or audiobook online. To publish, sell, or make money from ebooks and audiobooks on Kindle, Audible, and other similar platforms, you have to spend time finding the best topic for your ebooks or audiobooks. Put in even more time to create content for them. Do everything yourself, like writing a professional copy, recording audio, creating narrations, or editing audio, or hire a freelancer or gig worker, even if you do not know much about the quality of their work. Make attractive cover graphics that catch the eye of potential customers. Deal with the technical parts of formatting your ebook correctly for Kindle so it is easy to read. Record the audiobook professionally, edit it properly, and put them out in the market, even if you're not sure if they're good enough to succeed. The process is hard and it could be a successful business. But many people do not even try it. For those who do try, they often get disappointing results because they do not have the skill to finish well. This makes them feel bad about the time, money, and effort they've put in. Well, would you like to hear about a simpler way to use PLR that can give you results just like professionally made ebooks and audiobooks? I'm a digital marketer who always looks for new chances to make money. I found a similar chance in the Amazon Kindle and Audible marketplaces. Not long ago, I looked at Kindle to see which books were popular and which ones weren't. I saw a pattern that happened a lot, especially with children's ebooks. I saw the same trend happening even more in the audiobook places. These audio and written books had really high ratings and rankings on the platforms, and they were being sold for a really good price. But I also noticed that all these books were really detailed and professionally made. After looking at some of them closely, I knew that it wasn't easy to do. I got really interested because they were selling a lot and making a lot of money. This was happening because a lot of people, like hundreds and thousands of them, were buying these ebooks and audiobooks for a really cheap price. And to make it even better, they were also getting ranked really well compared to other types, with a lot of them getting a rating of 4 or more out of 5. I was really focused on understanding how this was working and how to make content that's just as good and could get the same kind of rewards. I looked at hundreds of them. And I totally took them apart to study everything that goes into making an ebook and audiobook. I figured out all the details that are needed to make a good final product. And after researching niches, topics, writing content, editing audio, making graphics, and overcoming many other challenges, I figured it out. Now, I've successfully made many bundles that have all the finished material needed to make high-quality ebooks and audiobooks. And I want to share one of these bundles with you so you can start publishing and making money from this digital business model too.